At 50. This is my first time ever opening the Norma ammunition. Here we go. Alright folks, first round today right here. I pulled that one, that's me. So that error is on me. That was the first round downrange. But at 50, I knew she was on. That's exactly where the crosshairs were when I pulled the trigger. So right out of the box, 50 meters. Alright, again, here we are at 100. First round right out of the box at 100 meters. So you saw my 50. There's my 100, aiming at that point right there. And that's less of an error than I had at 50. But right out of the box, you can't beat that right there, folks. I'm gonna shoot 3 rounds at a high speed. That's it, baby. Nice.
That's it.
Centered on the line.
Yeah.
About, say, how many inches low would you say that is?
3.5.
And that's exactly what it says on the box.
On the box. Right?
The box says 3.6 inches at 200. I'm dead center left and right, and about 3.5 inches low.
Perfect. Huh.
Norma ammunition, folks. Read the box, take it out and shoot it. It does exactly what it tells you it's going to do. Woo! What a day.
I wouldn't believe if I didn't see it.
All you got to do is look at the box. On the back of the box, it gives you the ranges. It's dead on at 100, 200, minus 3.6, and that's exactly where that ammunition hit. Norma ammunition, folks. All right, folks, right here at 200, again, aiming at center mass of the target. Drop down 1, 2, 3.5 inches. That's exactly what it says on the box. 3.5 inches low at 200. We're dead on, straight out of the box. All right, so Timothee Boson flew in last night, and I'm all done shooting. Everything's ready to go. So this just turned into Timothee's playhouse.
It's my turn.
So he gets to shoot whatever he wants.
Wait to see it.
We got plenty of ammo. So we're shooting a 6.5 Creedmoor and 143 grain, and it's putting it down. You read the box. What the box says is where the bullets are going. The rifle was sighted in previously, so it's good to go, but no changes with brand new ammunition right out of the box. Just got it in the mail last week.
Norma eats, man.
Push it down. Yeah, whatever you want. There you go. Nice. You got it on the first one. Look at that smile.